In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ChatGPT image on WhatsApp. If you've generated or received an image in a ChatGPT conversation and you want to send it to someone through WhatsApp, the process is simple once you know the right order. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from opening the image in ChatGPT all the way to sending it in the WhatsApp chat of your choice. Start by opening the ChatGPT conversation that contains the image you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct chat so you don't waste time scrolling later. Once you've found the image, click or tap on it to open it fully. This is helpful because it gives you a clearer view of the image and usually reveals the available options for saving or downloading it. Next, download the image to your device. This step is important because WhatsApp typically needs access to a file saved on your phone, tablet, or computer before you can send it easily through a chat. Depending on your device, the image may go into your Downloads folder, Photos app, or Image Gallery. If you're not sure where it was saved, take a quick note of the location so it's easier to find in the next step. After that, open WhatsApp. Once you're inside the app, choose the chat where you want to send the photo. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat, depending on who you want to share it with. Before attaching the image, it's a good idea to double check that you've opened the correct conversation, especially if you use WhatsApp often and have many active chats. Now tap the attachment button or the gallery button, depending on what appears on your screen. This will let you browse the files or images available on your device. From there, select the ChatGPT image you just downloaded. If you saved it recently, it may appear near the top of your gallery or in the most recent files section, which can make it quicker to locate. Once the image is selected, WhatsApp will usually show you a preview screen. Here, you can add a caption if needed. A caption can be useful if you want to give context, explain what the image is, or include a short message along with it. If you don't need a caption, you can simply leave it blank. When everything looks good, send the image. And that's it. Your ChatGPT image is now shared on WhatsApp.